Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Clicking exchange
We
show
have a
escape right into
liftoff.
another one. Today is Tuesday, October 7th. XRP is at 288, down 4% today. Guys, let's go into the charts and let's just bring out the honest, brutal truth. I mean, we are still just going sideways as of the middle of July, really the beginning of July. But, you know, looking at this here on the daily is not looking very good. We've had a fat red candle, barely a top or bottom wick. You can see with these candles here, we've been just getting rejected on the daily here on this resistance. We were not able to close a daily candle above $3. Like I've been saying, is very, very crucial. And here we are at 288, 287, most likely coming back at least down to the support here at 280, and then potentially to revisit these lows at 270. So if we break these lows, the next area of support is around 260. I'll be honest with you guys. Let's you know, get the honest hard truth. We're probably not going to see XRP explode or moon until November. So we need to get through this month here. The end of October, early November is when we could see that happen. We're looking at the weekly. It is going to most likely be another red week, going sideways, chopping down. You can see the RSI is coming way down, getting ready to reset. And then we could potentially see a move come this week. So we got 1, 2, 3. The third week, 3 more weeks, potentially is when we'll be at the apex of this move, looking to break out and actually have that rise. Ultimately, guys, there is nothing exciting about this. You know, we could potentially even see XRP move back up to $3 and then right back down to 280 and then right back up to 310, 315 and then right back down. Altogether, it does not matter what XRP is doing until it closes a daily candle above 340. You heard that right, above $3.40, this red line here. Even if we close a daily candle above up here at 315, breaking this downward resistance, we could come right back down, retest this 290 as support. And at the end of the day, guys, we are still just ranging if we do that. So nothing is going to get exciting until we close above 340 on a daily candle close. And I'm thinking that's probably not happening until at least the end of this month to November time frame. Just want to keep it straight up with everyone. As of right now, in the immediate short term, expect to move back down to 280. Let's dive right into it on X and see what's been going on. If you guys don't follow me at official NDE. Here's one from Cointelegraph, just in. XRP retail sentiment has turned deeply bearish, reaching its highest FUD levels in 6 months and signaling a potential price rebound. So what we can note, guys, is when retail gets bearish on XRP and the sentiment is low, especially like it is right now, like extremely low, we usually see the price turn around. So right here is where we saw that massive run up to 310. At the end of the day, it wasn't even that massive. And then right now, here we are again, and it's set back. So we could be actually seeing potentially a price rebound as far as the price goes. You can see here when we tanked and just sold off, the sentiment was way down. It came way down, and then we did rebound. So this does spike a rebound. And you can see when the sentiment is high is usually when it starts to sell off. So interesting. Here's one from Crypto Billaboo. He says he's calling for October, November, a $26 XRP, the 1.618 level. And then in 2026, a black swan event collapsing the price to 60 cents. And then overnight, straight up parabolic to $1,000 plus. So we will have to see what happens. This chart does look very, very similar, I will say, to the Mr. Pool chart here. And so we'll have to just kind of see what happens. But ultimately, guys, it's not exactly the same. You know, this two spot, we had kind of a decent long consolidation sideways into it, and this two spot was just a very short dip. I mean, the way he's got these numbers drawn, it doesn't match up perfectly, right? The 7 and the 8 do look fairly similar. I will say that. We are waiting for 9. 9 is the next move, which potentially, based off of Mr. Pool's chart, there's no prices, so we have no clue as to which price that may be. Although the number 9 seems to be the biggest letter, it does look a bit different than the other letters. So we'll have to see though. $26 though could definitely be in the cards. But just prepare for that potential. There it is again. Same guy. Impossible Dream. The next TP level is $6.15. We'll be looking at $26, $33.50, $113, $349, and then $589 plus. So based on his chart here, we could be looking at a breakout coming up to the $6 range. This is the XRP price. This green line, $6.30. I'm sorry, $8.20 on this green line. We got the yellow line here at $26, and this purple line at $2.90. So he's got a flag here at $26. So this analyst really thinks that we are coming right up to $26 here. So we'll have to I guess we'll have to see if that plays out. I mean, we're getting near to the middle of October. We don't have a whole lot of time left in this cycle, in my opinion. We'll have to see what happens. I honestly don't think we're going to see a somewhat decent upwards movement, a price breakout and explosion for XRP until the end of October, early November. Let me know what you guys think down below. I appreciate every single one of you guys tuning in, and I will keep you guys updated in the next one.
Good.